Meaning of F.
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 F. The single letter F can have different meanings depending on the context. It can be the sixth letter of the alphabet, representing a phoneme in spoken languages. In internet slang, it's commonly used to express sympathy or condolence when someone shares bad news or experiences a failure. In physics, it represents force. In music notation, it stands for the musical note Fa. Overall, the meaning of F is dependent on the context in which it is used and can have varied interpretations and implications.